Today we're checking out this beautiful Parrot Uncle 68-inch farmhouse TV stand with electric fireplace. A multi-function media console that brings style, storage, and coziness to your lifestyle space. We're covering installation, storage, details, design, integration, and the fireplace experience. So you can see how it performs from setup to everyday use. Let's start with the installation. This arrives in a couple boxes with all the parts and a clear manual. Assembly is straightforward. You build the main TV stand first, attach the adjustable shelves, and then set the fireplace insert in the designated opening. All screw holes are labeled, and the instructions are very easy to follow. You don't need any special tools, and two people can make it easier due to the size of the cabinet. The fireplace simply plugs into a standard outlet, and no professional installation is required. Everything lines up cleanly, and once secured, the unit feels solid and stable. Now let's take a look at the cabinet and storage. Up close, you can see the farmhouse design, with clean lines and a finish that complements many living spaces. On either side of the fireplace opening are closed cabinets with plenty of room for media players. Behind those doors, you'll find adjustable shelves that you can customize to storage for taller items like books or decor pieces. There are also open shelves, perfect for game consoles, DVD players, or displaying your personal items. This setup keeps your entertainment area organized and tidy without losing that farmhouse charm. The doors have magnets, so when you slide it in place, it locks shut. Not too tight, just enough. Stepping back, you can see how the fireplace nestles perfectly into the cabinet. This isn't just a TV stand. It's a designed focal point that anchors the room. Whether your style is modern farmhouse, coastal, or classic living room decor, this piece blends beautifully without feeling bulky or out of place. It's a full wall effect that brings warmth and visual balance to your space. Let's turn the fireplace on. With just a click on the remote control or the manual buttons, the flame comes alive, bringing soft movement and glow into the room. The atmosphere instantly becomes warmer and more inviting, without real fire, smoke, or cleanup. This is one of those upgrades that makes relaxing at home feel extra cozy after a long day. Here's the flame effect during the daytime. You can clearly see the LED flames adding visual interest even in daylight. Now in the evening or low light, the flame effect really stands out. The glow becomes much more dramatic and instantly feels like a focal point of the room. It's easy to see how lighting conditions can totally change the vibe. One of the cool features is the adjustable brightness. You can dial the flames to low, medium, or high, depending on the mood that you want. Low is perfect for a relaxed night in. Medium gives you a balanced glow, and high makes the fireplace a strong visual feature. The transition between the settings is smooth and responsive.
It also has a timer function. You can set it for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2, 3, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. You change the brightness levels. You can also change the temperature.
This setup feels very practical and comfortable. It's safe for families, no live flame, great for kids and pets. Apartment dwellers and renters will appreciate the easy setup and no venting required. Design-focused homeowners get a stylish media piece that doubles as a fireplace feature. And if you want that ambience without real fire, this is a smart, stylish solution that enhances both function and decor. Whether you're watching movies, hosting friends, or just winding down, this adds warmth without extra effort. Overall, the Parrot Uncle 68 Farmhouse TV stand with electric fireplace delivers style, ample storage, and cozy ambience in one beautiful package. Easy to install, generous storage, and a fireplace that truly elevates the room. This is definitely a centerpiece worth considering. Thanks for watching.